What then is the origin of death? Humanity was made in the image and likeness of highly developed dual energy beings called in Hebrew Elohim, whose leader is God Jehovah. As we ever said, the image and likeness, as referenced in Genesis chapter 1 verse 26, has nothing to do with the material form, but refers to the spirit and its latent potentialities that should be unfolded to become and act like God, the Creator. Remember, John chapter 4 verse 24 says, God is a spirit. The individualized spirit of, or in every human being, was differentiated in God millions of years ago. The objective of this journey through matter is for everybody, every one of us, to 1. Develop his or her latent spiritual faculties into dynamic powers, and also 2. Add value to the Godhead. So, as individualized spirits within God, we were innocent at the beginning, inexperienced at the beginning of this journey. So, the God of our solar system needed to increase or expand just like gods of other solar systems. So, he differentiated within himself, that is to say, part of himself, fresh or young inexperienced spirits, to go through the various worlds and gather experience. As we said in our previous presentations, there are 7 worlds, the last one being the physical world. The inexperienced or innocent spirits, in their descent through the lower worlds, got their spiritual aspects activated, and they gathered materials in each of the worlds, stage by stage. Each one of us in this physical world who belongs to the human race did that. The lower worlds and the materials that were gathered or activated, and the level of consciousness of the spirit is given in the following diagram. Let us explain the diagram. God of our solar system, at the dawn of a new period, it means that there was a period before this period. So at the dawn of a new period, the God of our solar system desired to increase or expand in 3 things. 1, will. 2, wisdom. And 3, activity. So, he released portions of himself. That is, these aggregated and inexperienced spirits into the next lower world, which is the world of virgin spirits. When work on the innocent and inexperienced spirits was completed, the descent to the next world, which is the world of divine spirit, took place. Over there, the first aspect of the virgin spirit, which is the divine spirit, was activated. When work was completed, the virgin spirits were located in the next lower world, the world of life spirit, for their second aspect to be activated. After that, we moved to the next lower world, the world of thought, especially the region of abstract thought. There, the third aspect, the human spirit, was activated. Again, in that same region, separateness began, unlike the world of divine spirit and the world of life spirit. So, the 3 spiritual aspects were activated, and the virgin spirit became known as the ego, individualized but unaware of the material worlds. The region of concrete thought, the desire world, and the physical world were built, and the ego descended into each one of them one after the other. The last of the worlds is the physical world, where the ego is right now. As the ego descended, it took matter or bodies from the various worlds to function in them. Humanity is. We are the ones under reference. It took millions of years for us to reach where we are today. And there is a lot more work and time ahead for us to reach perfection, to be like God, the Creator. As we ever said, even though our journey and evolution is to be carried out in 5 worlds, from the physical world to the world of divine spirit, only 3 have been activated in this day of manifestation of spirit in matter. The 3 are the physical world, the desire world, and the world of thought. Those were the 3 worlds that have been activated. Let us remember that the 3 spiritual aspects of the ego, we're talking about the human spirit aspect, the light spirit aspect, and the divine spirit aspect. Those 3 aspects were activated. They were not built. They were part, or they are part of the ego, and they were activated, unlike the material worlds that were built. The material worlds were built, the bodies were built for the occupation of the spirit. How about the stages of consciousness of the spirit throughout the process? How was it like? Consciousness differs from each of the worlds that the spirit journeyed through. From the world of God to the world of light spirit, there was the all consciousness or divine consciousness. That is to say, the consciousness of God permeated all spirits, none having its own individual consciousness. It never was. Up to the stage of the light spirit, only the all consciousness of God permeated all spirits. There was never any individual consciousness.
Filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see. Whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all this show.